Here is an easy activity you can do with shaving cream, a jar, and food coloring or watercolor paint. Fill the jar with some water and put some shaving cream on the top. Then you can use food coloring or watercolor paint to drip down into the shaving cream. Some questions you can ask while the kids are doing this activity. What do you think will happen when the shaving cream is on the water? Why do you think it floats? Why do you think the color goes through the shaving cream? What do you think will happen when you put color on top of the shaving cream? What are some different materials that we can try to have a different effect?